Ready to start joining Telegram groups easily with just a link. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to accept an invite and become part of any Telegram group using a link that someone shares with you. By the end, you'll know how to join a group in just a few taps, as well as a few tips on what to expect when you do, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your Telegram app. If you're using your phone, just tap the Telegram icon. It's the little paper airplane. If you're on your computer, go ahead and open the desktop version or even Telegram web if you prefer. You don't need to do anything fancy, just make sure you're logged into your account. If you're new and haven't set up Telegram yet, take a minute to sign in or create an account. You'll need that in order to join groups. Once you've got Telegram open, find the group invite link that your friend or someone else has sent to you. This link could be sitting in a chat, maybe they messaged it directly, or it might be in an email or even posted on a website if you're joining a public group. The link usually looks like this: TME group name or a similar format. Don't worry if it seems a little cryptic, that's just Telegram's way of making group invites nice and simple. Now comes the easy part. Just tap or click straight on the link. On mobile, you might get a little pop-up asking which app you'd like to use. Just select Telegram. On desktop, the link will open in your browser and then usually redirect you right to Telegram or prompt you to open the app if you have it installed. If you ever get a message saying you need to sign in or install Telegram, just follow the instructions. This step hardly takes a moment, but it's good to check that you're really being taken straight to the group you want to join. Once the group opens up, you'll see a preview, usually the group name, icon, and maybe even a short welcome message or description from the admins. Take a second to double-check that this is the group you're interested in. It's easy to rush and accidentally join the wrong group, especially if you've collected a few links, so just confirm the name or description matches what you're expecting. Right beneath the group information, you'll see a big Join button. Simply tap or click that and that's it. You'll instantly become a member. The app might take a second to add you, especially if the group is large or your connection is a bit slow, so don't worry if there's a short pause. Once you're inside, you'll be able to see the group's messages, chat with other members, and take part in the conversation. That's really all there is to it. Joining a Telegram group with a link is incredibly easy once you know the steps. Just open Telegram, click the invite link, and hit join. Whether you're networking, keeping up with hobbies, or joining classmates, this process always works the same way. If you're ever unsure about what a group is for, just check its description before joining. You can always leave later if it's not the right fit, no stress. And that's a wrap for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, remember to give this video a like. And if you have any questions or need help with something else on Telegram, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.